Culture will bring you a set of norms, way of doing things. Paano ka ba makisalamuha? Sino dito feeling nila shy sila? I'm shy, raise your hand. Kakapal ng loob nyo. Pag shy nga, hindi nagtataas ng kamay eh. Culturally, Filipinos were accustomed to. Binilt in sa atin yan. Kaya nga tayo culturally, di ba, pag may nag-uusap, dadaan ka, anong gagawin mo? Kung makahintay ka, dito ka lang muna. Tambay-tambay ka, di pa sila tapos. Pero kung kailangan mo dumaan, anong gagawin mo? Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Paglampas mo, pasensya na po. Ano yun? Literally, we have a culture of less than. That we don't feel we are at par with other people, other countries, other cultures. I remember, nung kami ni Russ, nasa US kami, we were at MIT. Sabi nung classmate namin, sabi niya, Max, are you Filipino? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, you Filipinos, you're crazy. Sabi ko, why? I have a company in the Philippines. Every time we meet, my managers, this is what my Filipino managers does. Yeah. And then I ask them, do you want to say anything? They will say, And then sabi niya, I noticed after the meeting, all my managers, Filipino managers, they go to the coffee area. And they have a conversation in the coffee area. Doon daw nagsasalita lang mga Pilipino. Sabi niya, pare, dapat ganito. Sabi ko, what did you do? I end my meeting early and everybody goes to the coffee station and we have another meeting there. Culture.